Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel Unknown Study. Today we will study topic 9.5 interference of light. So first I will write the definition of it. There are two definitions of interference. First one you can read it from the notebook from the book. The second one is easy one, so I will write it there and explain you guys. When two waves means there is condition of two waves having, now is again a condition, same frequency direction medium and phase. And time. Amplitude. When two waves having same frequency, direction, medium, phase, time, amplitude means if there is two waves like this, one wave is it, another wave is like this, there is two waves, they have same frequency, like they vibrate in same time. Frequency must be same, time must be same, direction should be same. Direction, if it is in this direction, then it will also be in this direction. So direction must be same. Medium, if it is in the air, so this wave should also be in air. Phase means the direction, their phases. I told you in the previous video about the phase difference and phase in which phase are same. You can watch it. I told you in the previous video about the phase difference and the phase same, so you can watch it from there. And amplitude must be same of both the frequencies. So this till here it is like this. You can write it in the wording form. यहाँ पर constant phase. फिर next they force each other at some point while cancel the effect of each other at other times. At other point. So this is the definition. Now then conditions of first condition is that they should have two coherent sources, like two coherent sources. Second point is they must be equal or nearly equal. The light equal or nearby equal. what? Amplitude. In this I have already told you, amplitude must be nearly equal. Third point, the light wave should be perfectly monochromatic. Fourth point, the path difference must be small between the waves. Fifth point, superposition must be open. Principle of linear supervision must be obey or applicable. So these are the 5 conditions of interference of light. Now we will discuss the constructive and disconstructive interference of light. So if we let, from here it is starting the heading of explanation. Now if we take the first wave like this, this is the number 1 wave and this is the second wave. Okay, let its amplitude be y1 and its amplitude will be y2. Okay, they are having same phase same phase in the same direction. And medium is also same. So if we join this both like this, this is the wave number 1 and this is the wave number 2. The joining of crust, this is crust and trough is called constructive interference. And if this crust and trough are in opposite direction, if like I draw another wave, this is called constructive interference of light. And if this is in the opposite direction, so this is called disconstructive interference. This is called disconstructive interference of light. So now this is a diagram, you can make it. Now we will discuss the explanation. wording in the form of theory. Now the theory is where now the theory is where we get brightness is called constructive interference of light. Wave which comes into play when cross of one wave. When cross of one wave, this is the important line, overlaps with cross of another wave. Like cross overlap with cross. Like see here, this is a wave, cross overlap with cross. This is one, this is cross overlap cross, and the trough overlap of one wave overlaps with trough of other wave. Like this trough overlap with another wave, so this is called trough overlapping. Okay, as a result we get light wave of large light wave of large cross and large trough. Okay, now second point explanation is where we get darkness is called constructive interference of light when which comes into play when the cross of one wave Now in the second case, second point, cross of one wave overlaps with trough of other wave, other wave, like this. This is a wave and we see the overlapping of crest and trough. Okay, as a result, we see darkness, as a result we see darkness. Third point है, these two cancel their effect, like this trough and crust and trough cancel their effect. Now this point would come here. Now next point is both constructive and deconstructive interference of light take place at same time. This is an important point. At same time. So this was all about the Huygens principle. This was all about the interference of light. So in the next video we will explain the Young's experiment or principle. I hope you will all like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.